Hi everyone, today the subject is this smartwatch for men or women. Per the product, this item is a smart bracelet that will be your health steward for you. Okay, let's see the product. We're going to open it to see. Wow, okay, so the user manual in English. Yeah, and the other side is Chinese. And let's look at the watch. That's going to be the bracelet. Oops. This is made like rubber, black rubber or plastic, probably a little bit rubber. Yeah, and let's look at the watch. This is black. They put the plastic on it just to be okay. Oh, look at that. Just open it. You can see. That's going to be the place you charge. You just find any USB charge and just plug it in, and this guy is going to charge very well. The functions are heart rate, blood pressure, will count your step. Your software are QQ, Twitter, Facebook, and WeChat. You have an alarm clock. You have the photo control, the mileage, the centenary reminder, and incoming call. If you need to this guy to work, you need to download Fitpro on your cell phone or your tablet, and after that, that's going to be working together. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so let's put everything all together. The only thing you need to do is to take the strap and just go inside. You're going to hear like a click. And the other one, the thing I don't like, this is where you're charging, and probably after a while, to take it out. Okay, this guy is really hard to take it out and coming back. Probably after a while, this guy's going to be loose. But this is, yeah, it's nice. Okay, so now what exactly I'm going to do? My phone is a Android and this is a Samsung. So you need to go on your Play Store here, and you need to write ProFit. Download the app, and there's going to be this guy here. That one you need to download. So we're going to install it. We need to open it. The first thing you need to do is going to be to allow almost everything. So we're going to press on that allow. Still waiting, and voila. So that's going to be the software. Now, you need to take your watch and synchronize with the cell phone. You need to go. I'm going to show you. You need to go on the setting. You need to press, not hard, but just a little bit. Not the sleep, not that one here, not this guy, not that one here. So your watch is a D20S. So now what we need to do, we need to come back. We need to go on your Bluetooth. Sorry. And you need to scan to find your cell phone. Oh, wait. going to press to looking. You need to do another scan. I'm just going to put it together closer. Probably that's going to be a little bit of time before you find the watch. Okay, you know something? We're going to go forward on this guy, on that one. Okay, so now you just here, the DS. No, not that one. This guy here, the DS. You need to pair, yes. Okay, it's already connected. Perfect. The thing you need to do, you need to press this icon here. Wait, I'm going to show you. So this guy is going to scan, and this is going to be your model, D20S. You press on it, and now you just leave everything all together. You're going to see complete. So that's the first one. You just connect on the cell phone. That's good. Connecting the time. Committing the time. Okay, when those two are together, you're going to see the time is the same thing. It's 17:22, and you can see a lot of future on it. The motion, if you need to do a run with a start, you have your profile. So like that, you just go user profile, you enter your weight, you enter your height, everything you need to download. So that is a nice feature when you need to, you know, to know how much calorie you just lost. And after that, you have another feature here with the alarm. You have the alarm and all the rest. I forgot to mention this knob here on the bottom. It's like a mouse. Just touch it, just, you know, softly, and it's going to change. You don't need to press a lot. And when it's time to do, like, I don't know, message, you just put your finger there and hold it. Don't push a lot, just a little bit. And I'm going to show you something. I'm going to go back here, et voila, for the heart, and hold it, and you're going to see a light in the back. So like that, this guy is scanning your heart, and he's going to tell you your heart and everything you need to know. If you love this video about this smartwatch, my wife, I can tell you, she really love it, because it's going to be almost 2 weeks she have it now, and she always put it to see how much steps she do each time she go for a walk with the dog, and she can look how much calories she lost at the same time. So it's nice. She really love it. If you like this video about this smartwatch, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.